Sure, here's a 500-word YouTube script about the 2025 Jeep, assuming you're talking about a general review or overview of the new Jeep models for 2025. Let me know if you want to focus on a specific model like the Wrangler, Grand Cherokee, or Gladiator. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the 2025 Jeep lineup. Whether you're a hardcore off-roader, a weekend adventurer, or just someone who appreciates rugged design with everyday functionality, Jeep's 2025 models have something fresh and bold to offer. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk design. Jeep has kept that iconic, boxy silhouette that fans love, but with modern tweaks across the board. Think sharper LED headlights, more aggressive grilles, and new wheel designs that give these rides a more contemporary edge. The 2025 Wrangler, for instance, still owns its classic look but now comes with improved aerodynamics and a few high-tech enhancements, like the new integrated trail camera and updated off-road info display. Jeep is also going big on tech this year. Across the lineup, you'll see larger touchscreens, up to 12.3 inches in some models, with Uconnect 5 for faster processing, better connectivity, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, there are more USB ports, better sound systems, and even over-the-air updates so your Jeep stays current without stepping into a dealership. Now, when it comes to performance, Jeep isn't holding back. The 2025 Grand Cherokee brings a mix of power and efficiency with both traditional gas engines and a plug-in hybrid 4Z version. That hybrid setup is perfect if you want to reduce emissions without sacrificing off-road ability. And speaking of that, yes, Jeep's trail-rated models are still here, fully loaded with locking differentials, skid plates, and rock-crawling modes that make even the toughest terrain feel manageable. The 2025 Gladiator is also back and better than ever. It's got improved ride comfort, a quieter cabin, and a stronger payload capacity. Jeep listened to the feedback and made real changes to improve everyday drivability while still keeping that rugged pickup utility intact. Now let's talk safety. Jeep has stepped up its game with standard driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and lane keep assist. Whether you're cruising the freeway or navigating tight forest trails, these systems are designed to keep you and your crew safe. And yeah, Jeep didn't forget about style. You've got more exterior color options, new trims like the High Altitude and Rubicon X, and customizable features like roof types, wheel sizes, and badging. Whether you want a blacked-out stealth look or something more classic and chrome-heavy, there's a setup for you. So, bottom line, the 2025 Jeep lineup is a strong evolution of what fans already love: capability, versatility, and style, but now with more tech, better efficiency, and smarter safety features. Whether you're looking to go off the grid or just get to work in something cool, Jeep's got a 2025 model that'll get the job done. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which 2025 Jeep are you most excited about? Catch you in the next one. Want a version that includes more humor, excitement, or a specific focus on one Jeep model?